what's good? And we're back, RDS Stream, with another unboxing. Today we are doing Chainsaw Man, Denji. One of the hottest animes out right now. Hottest and newest animes out right now. Let me figure out like which one of my katanas I should use. I never used this one yet. Again, I'm gonna post this in my link. Post this at the bottom of my video. Post a link in the bottom of my video so you guys can check these knives out. These are pretty cool. Let's take a look at the box. This is from Vibration Stars. I really don't like their brand. I think they're a bit overpriced, especially when I'm getting like the actual figurines. But this is a statuette, so. And when I looked at it online, it was really cool. So let's see how it looks in person. For those of you who watch Chainsaw Man, this is Denji. He fused with Pochita to become Chainsaw Man. So this is a statuette, so this is going to be really quick. I don't think there's any points of articulation. And just like my last video, you'll see it on a rotation close up and in 4K. So you get to see whether or not you want to purchase it or not. I'll also leave the link to this on Amazon. Or leave the Amazon link to this. Talking backwards today. Oh, this thing is kind of small. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. See, this is why I said McFarlane. Vibration Stars. Am I saying it right? I wanted to get a couple Naruto figures by them, and they were charging an arm and a leg for figures that were about 4 inches in height. Where's his head? Oh. So like, again, it's a statuette. It comes in about. You have the display, the arms, and he's already in a little pose. If you hear the alarm going off, what is that? It's saying it's 12 o'clock? Yes, I am doing this super late. A brother got responsibilities during the day. And I am on the West Coast. If you're watching this on the East Coast. And the pose is like, what's the word for it? It's like one of those dynamic poses. Look at this. I'll put it on the turntable for you guys at the end. I'm actually satisfied with it. I really like it. See what I'm talking about? It wasn't the figure, it was my big ass fingers that took it apart just now. Does it have room in there? I'm gonna figure out. I'm gonna fit them in there somehow. that's it. Like I said, it was super quick. It's just a statuette, but I'll be doing many more unboxings. Like I stated before, I'm just waiting on my pre-orders. Plus, I have things laying around. Like, subscribe. You can catch me on all platforms: Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. I usually do live streams of video game walkthrough, playthrough, and just me just randomly, playing what I like. Peace. Next time.